I just had to screw that door shut over there. But this is the essentially the big job that we got going on right now. Getting all the sprinkler systems tied into one fire alarm panel instead of they have 4 different fire alarm panels here right now. Fire marshal's like, I'll need to be on one. But yeah, definitely been keeping us busy. So old JC Penney down there, old Dillard's down there, which is now a CubeSmart. But yeah, everything's going pretty smooth so far. Big job, but easy peasy so far. Easy money, as they call us. Old movie theater right there. I'll do another video walking through there. They still got some of the old projectors and stuff there. And bam, here's our new Heart and Soul. This is the main panel here. It looks like a mess right now, but everything's slowly coming together.